How to reset Outlook view to default on Windows PC. If you want to reset Outlook view to default on Windows, you can follow these steps. Open the Outlook app on your PC. Switch to the View tab near the top of the application window and click on it. In the View tab, click on the Change View button and select the Compact option. This will reset the current folder view to the default settings. If you want to apply the same change to all other folders, you can click on the Change View button again and select the Apply Current View to Other Mail Folders option. Then, choose the folders where you want to reset the view and click on the OK button. Learn more, how to reset Outlook to the original view. To reset Microsoft Outlook to its original view, you can follow these steps. 1. Close Outlook if it's currently open. 2. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. 3. Type in outlook.exe/reset nav pane and click OK. This command resets the navigation pane in Outlook. 4. Outlook will open with the default navigation pane and its original view. This process will reset the navigation pane in Outlook, which includes the default folders, such as Inbox, Sent Items, etc., and their arrangement. Any customizations or changes you made to the navigation pane, folder structure, or view settings will be reverted. Please note that this reset doesn't affect your emails, contacts, or other data in Outlook. It only resets the visual layout and navigation pane to the default settings.